Hi, Christy. So I've had a quick look at your navigation, and what I did, I enabled a nested navigation within your store. So you can add collection, sub-collection, and sub-collection to the menu, and it's very easy. So for example, if you wanted to add new collection, you just search for it in a menu. Amazon ID, you can change the title, and then you can move it further. So it's either under collections right here. No, this is the main. So under collections, and if you wanted to move it to chakra collection, so it's sub collection, you can just move it right here. So basically, these are different steps. I will discard the changes, but I'll show you how it looks like. On the website. So basically, these are collections, and you can see chakra collection and those sub collections underneath. So this is how you can add sub collections to your website. I hope this is what you wanted, but you can also customize the collection page to differentiate different sub collections. But you can do it within the collection page as well, and you can link to it from the main menu. So I hope it helps. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.